Sheba and I have something very special for you today. If you could see up there, the cats are angry because the window's closed and I have the new catio right over there. But anyway, I have fidgets for my friend. Okay, Sheba, give it up for Gavin. Hey, give it up for Gavin Sexton. I swear, ow, bitch! I swear, I swear Sheba's having a gay old time. If I just scratch her back for a minute, she forgets all about it. Okay. Are you gonna hang out with me, Sheba? Hold on. I don't know exactly what's in here because he sent me a photo and I already forgot what it was. So, but these are just on loan. Oh, where's my knife? There it is. So, excellent repackaging skills. Oh, this one I'm definitely gonna kill myself over. Holy shit. Sheba, don't do it. Shit. I got a part of it open. God damn. It's like, oh my god, I almost just killed Sheba. Oh my god. Oh. I see some stuff. Oh, okay. So, I've got one out. Black Mirror design. Oh, alright. So, these are just loaners, so we're gonna see what he's sent us to check out. So me, him, he's from Dynamic Inertia, he makes those spinny tops, and then also Kyle from Fidget Focus, who created a group where we're gonna be flipping some stuff around so we can share the love. Okay. Oh. Alright, so dude, when he reviewed this, my haptic EDC stuff, he took off the slide tape and I was horrified and I told him he had to buy me all new ones. And he's like, I'll put new ones on, I'll put new slide tape on, and I'm like, fine. He's like, he promised me that it would be all the same. So alright, it's passable. You're forgiven just this one time. Alright, so some of this stuff is some Fidget Boy stuff. I've seen this. I have the... Don't I have these? Or are these mine? Oh no. I've got these already. These are good. These are excellent, actually. This one I've never seen before. I love how it's all themed. Dude, these are so, like, beautiful. Look at that. The detail on that. Very nice. Wow. Oh shit. This is what's going on down here, by the way. I've got pieces of packaging on me. Here, Sheba. Look, she's holding the other thing. Aw, Sheba. She loves me. Alright. Very nice. I like it. They're beautiful. I really think that these are great for like kids and people who are non-fidgeters, because they're just easy to use and they're beautiful. This one I really like a lot. Okay, so this is the stuff on loan. So those haptic EDC ones were mine that I lent him. Alright. Huh. What's this? Ooh, Sheba wants to know what the hell this shit is. Oh, you know, Kyle had one of these, and Kevin had one of these, and I've never actually tried it out. So it's like it's similar to, oh, did I try it out? Shit, I don't even remember anymore. It's similar to the CP3. It's the S Nano. Oh, this is in Zerk. Oh wow. Oof. Yeah, this is nice. Wow, I wish I could slide it over. So it's like, these were the ones that did the comma ant design. They came out with this. And it's got these trits spots, meaning they glow in the dark. Very nice. Actually, it's really nice. It feels actually completely different than a CP3 or CP2. CP3. Yeah. I'm gonna turn the camera around, and I have my CP3 to show for comparison, so you guys can see what I'm talking about. But let's see, Sheba, what else do we have, huh? Oh. Okay. We've got this excellent spinner. I think this is an oldie. I don't think this is new. I think this is like an OG one. Oh wow, this is little. Bro. This is little. Oh wow. The clearance from the button is very thin, so it's a little bit hard to use. Got a nice loud bearing in there. Very cool. Decent. A little hard to use, but cool. I don't want to mess up Gavin's stuff. Okay, let's see what else we have here. Ooh, well, this is a heavy sumbitch. This is I guess a new version. Oh, Sheba wants to know what's going on. A new version of a milk lid. The reason why she's over here is because I'm working on the catio. Oh my god, look at that face. Normally she's out in the catio and ignoring me, so. Okay, so let's take a look, y'all. I guess it could spin like a top? Oh no. Oh, it's a button. What? Hold on. I thought this was a clicker. Oh, it's not. It's a ratchet. Oh, shit. I thought it was like a normal milk lid. Wow. Do I want to open it? Wow, that's pretty interesting. Okay. Once again, I'm going to turn the camera around so you guys can get a better look. I've got one left. This was like some kind of a magic track thing. Hold on, Sheba wants in on this. Sheba, what is it? Oh, Sheba, my goodness. Okay. Sheba, what is it? Sometimes people make fun of me because when they borrow my stuff, or I borrow their stuff, I send it back. Inadvertently, though, with Sheba here on it. Wow, what is it? It says something on the side of it. What the fuck does it say? What does it say? I don't know. Oh. Focus, commitment, sheer will, oh yeah, manufacture. I shit you not. I love it. Okay. Oh shit. This is so weird, bro. What the hell? It's a track slider? I thought this whole thing came apart. What the hell? Yeah, there's a post in there. Can you see the post? Ah, how do you separate it? I don't know. On the ends it's raised. What? This is a weird ass thing. What the fuck? Wow. You can go this way. Dude. It's almost like a free floater that never separates. Right? Holy shit. That is actually insane. Wow. I'm actually impressed by this. Okay, I'm gonna turn the camera around. Hey, I have a handy dandy helper right here. Bro, okay, let me see what would happen if I spin it. Can you just chill for a sec? No? Oh, shit. She's having a lot of fun. Here. I don't want to fuck up the Zerk one. Tut tut. Alright, well, she can play with that. Alright, so Bro, she just dropped my shit. Okay. Can you not chew on this? What if Gavin sees you chewing on my stuff? It would be so crazy for him to see his stuff get ruined on video. I'm joking. My stuff is not ruined. Okay. Alright. So, okay. So, I don't know where the hell this came from or what it is. Is this bad? Am I a bad reviewer for not knowing? Oh. Well, that's weird. It's a strange... What the hell? Huh. It's a weird looking, I don't think that that's a normal bearing. I don't know. But this thing's cool. I mean, I don't know. It's cool looking. It's definitely worn. Okay. This thing freaking awesome. You hear that? Pretty awesome ratchet too. How do I open it? I have to press it to open it? Oh, I don't know. Do I want to even open it? I mean, I've seen what ratchets look like. Well, it's cool. It's a clicker, and it's a ratchet, and it goes both ways. Boom. Nice and tight. Does it work as a top? Yeah? Pretty cool. Very nice. Nicely made, no hot spots. Heavy. It's a heavy sumbitch. Oh, I had this here to cover up some dirt. Better leave that right there. Okay. The Nano, shit. I said I was gonna have my regular CP. Okay. Tootsie, can you keep them company while I go get my thing? Alright, how did she do? Huh? Okay. Damn. Alright, ready. What? Okay, so I have my CP3. It only goes one way, and then it stops. Doesn't go any further. It does separate, and there's a track. Whereas this one, oh shit, this one does not separate. Size comparison, bigger. Feels better in the hand too. Probably because it's Zerk. This one is copper. What? Why is she looking at me? I'm trying to focus on Fidgets. Oh my gosh. Alright. Here. Can you help then? It feels like the magnets are a lot stronger. And it also goes both ways. So it's got a track, but the system is completely different. Doesn't extend us. Well, yeah, it extends the same amount of distance. Yeah, the magnets are way stronger. The feel is better too. This one's better. And I like the texture too. Yeah, the sound. Listen to the sound difference. The pitch. Ooh. Okay. It's got the same amount of clicks. Yeah, this is nicer. This is worth it. Also, you can do some cool moves like that. Yeah, this is nice. Also feels really good as a worry stone almost in your hand. But this does have some nice patina on there. What do you think, Tootsie? Huh? Okay. And then the last one is this. I might have to ask Gavin if I can just get this from him. Wow. This thing is pretty incredible. Wow. So there's a post on there right here in the middle. And it follows this track. I've never seen anything like this. It's like a free-floating track slider. What the hell? There's definitely a learning curve, but it's like no move is off limits here. She moved, so I can zoom in a little bit. Wow. I wonder if I could do any of my... Can I do the sexton slide? Let's see. It's a little heavy. Oh, shit. No, I can't. Gosh. This thing's fucking cool. It is a little hard to use, but the concept behind it is nice. I want to use it like a free floater, but it doesn't work. Like for instance, bring out some of this other one that I was using. Okay, so I want to, so I bring it out, and that's what it'll do, because obviously it's still on a track. So then you can bring it up though, so there's probably other things you can do. See? This is actually something that would be really good in a car, because I constantly drop my shit. Look at that. Oh, man. I think he said this stuff was up for trade or purchase. Holy shit. I might have to buy this from him. Wow. It's just insane. The amount of stuff you can do with this, and then it just never... So that's how high it goes. It doesn't go above that. But yeah, and that's how far it is. That's how far it goes to the side. God, this thing's so fucking cool. I like it. Damn. I might need to get this from him. Wow. Also, I like it. Look at this. Can you see it? It's like, what is it? Concave. Look at that. So it's easy to use. Also, it's got this insanely crazy freaking saying thing on it. Let me see. Oh, I'll do some hyper focus here. Come on, bitch. Focus. Oh, man. Focus, commitment. Oh, there it is. Focus, commitment, sheer will. Oh, yeah. Manufacture. And then what does it say here? A1. There's like a little smiley on here. Oh shit, there's a frowny. What? I know that there's ways. Oh shit, it says something in here too. Oh yeah, manufacturer 178 A1. Oh yeah, manufacturer. Okay, so oh yeah, manufacturer must be the brand or something. So actually the saying must just be, okay, see, now that I've switched it around, it just says focus, commitment, share will. And then, oh yeah, manufacturer, so it's different. Oh yeah. Happy face, frowny face. Okay. All right, well. Oh yeah, and I also need to show you guys the 3D printed stuff. Where did I put it? Here. So I've reviewed these already. But this one I haven't yet. Game over. See, it goes inwards. Press start. Pac-Man. I would fucking suck at Pac-Man. Easy to use. It's a little bit big, but magnet strike. It's on point. No hot spots at all. Like, really good. This one's a lot smaller. Feels like the magnet strength is stronger in these than this one. Sexton slide. Took me forever to do that bullshit. So, if you want a little bit of a size comparison, here's a wrapped. So, now I don't know how much these things cost, but I am going to put a link in the description for everything. But this, my friends, I like. Look at it. Is it better to do post down? Let's see. I want to do it. I want to use it like a regular slider. Yeah, I think it's better to do post down. Gosh, I like it. I feel like I can unlock a lot of moves. Huh. It's pleasantly surprised. So, very nice. Really, really, really very nice. And, okay. So, there's the lineup, folks. Oh no, there's cat here. Cat here, go bye-bye. Press start. Oh wait, maybe I should do it this way here. There we go. You know, when I'm like arranging shit like this, it's basically for the thumbnail because I'm lazy. And I just want to do the thumbnail from here. Easier. There we go. Perfect for the thumbnail. Look at that. Oh, okay, perfect. Look at that. Anyway, thank you, Gavin. I just love you. And I forgive you. Bye.